people joining us and telling us their stories.
जर्मन बेस्ड कंपनी है।
मेरे को लगभग 5 साल हो चुके हैं इस कंपनी से जुड़े को।
REHAU as a company takes care of the employees, customers and overall value chains of the customer.
We look forward then, even greater days to come ahead.
A very good evening. Here we are today celebrating a Swiss company's German technology, a new milestone that we are here to celebrate together with the REHAU. Can we all put our hands together? Yeah? Can we make some noise for it? We have with us today Mr. Ajay Khurana, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big hand.
Today, this Edgeband is our winning edge.
I now invite Mr. Redappa Prasad to felicitate you for especially taking time out to joining us this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Manish Arora. Let's give a big hand for him, please.
Who are our business partners in business for the growth for REHAU in India to make the Edgeband something different.
We want each one of you to put your eyes on the screen.
REHAU introduces uPVC Edgebands.
Let me take you through the second collection, which is going to steal your hearts. Put your eyes on the stage now as we bring together Decorate! Ladies and gentlemen, here we present to you our third collection, the high gloss range products for all of you. Thank you. You guys are the superstars. Spread the word and let REHAU be number one as always it is. Thank you so much.